Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you favorite recipe ideas and tips. Anyway, we just want to share a simple thing with you guys to say, if you're working very hard and you're working with a good company, and you know what I mean, every day do your 9 to 5 job, or I don't know what hours you may be doing, but you work very hard, don't give up. Keep the good faith, because you just don't know what's gonna happen at the end of the day. The end of the day, this is what I can share with you today to say, I win an award for be amazing, hard working person. And also, you know, as a chef, you know what I mean, I can share it with you guys today that hard works do pay off. And my company is a real good company where I work with, and I say, guys, it's just amazing. So guys, I just want to share my tips and my idea with you. If someone out there, you know what I mean, struggling and saying to myself, oh, can't manage this, I can't do this. Anyway, today I can share with you that hard works do pay off at the end of the day. Alright? So I'm gonna give you a few tips and ideas from Chef Ricardo to say, if you work 9 to 5 and you know what I mean, you're working with a good company, do not give up. Keep the faith, work very hard. Because the Bible said, by the sweat of your brow you should what? I'm not going to go further. Leave it right there. You're supposed to know the scripture. Anyway, it's just tips and ideas, guys. But I want to share with you to say, if you're working very hard, don't give up. Do not give up. You know what I mean? Just keep the faith and work very hard. At the end of the day, you don't know what's going to happen. For me, you know what I mean, I work very hard. Remember 2014, I did win a chef award. And also, this is another award. So it's just brilliant to know that, you know what I mean, hard works do pay off at the end of the day. When you work very hard, love your job, you know what I mean, if something which can help you to take care of the household, don't abuse it, you know what I mean, love it and treat it the best. That's gonna be your second wife, your job. Alright? So your job always be your second wife, you know what I mean, your family, or you know, most people put their family first and then your job after, you know what I mean. So that's, some people do it that way, but always love what you do, you know what I mean, and do the best of your ability, and keep the good faith and love if you're working with a good company. With me, I work with a good company because I'm working with a company for a very, very, very long time. So I know my company is very good. And you know what I mean, I just want to say, if you work with a company, keep the faith, hard work do pay off. At the end of the day, you don't know what's gonna happen. You know what I mean? Anything can happen. You can win a chef award, you can win an award, you can win this, you can win that. You can say, okay, we're gonna put you to a higher place, to a bigger management, to a this. You just don't know what's gonna happen. And this is from Chef Ricardo. Tips to say, keep the faith. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. We got a lot more ideas, recipe, and tips coming your way, guys. And thank you so much to tune in to my show. We have amazing shows just going on really well. As you can see, guys, you know what I mean, it's just amazing. And remember, you can get my copy of my cookbook on Amazon. There's a 50% off. And don't go anywhere. Stay tuned with Chef Ricardo. See you next time. Bye bye.